गाइस, वेलकम टू माय इंटरव्यू। और आज मैं बात कर रही हूँ अरविंद शर्मा से, जो कि मेरे साथ है। वेलकम अरविंद।
Delighted to be here, Preeti. Thank you so much for having me on board.
इट्स सो गुड टू सी यू। आपको मैं इतने टाइम के बाद देख रही हूँ जूम के माध्यम से। दैट्स हाउ वी से इट। बट
Yeah,
या,
yeah,
वी
yeah.
सपोज्ड टू बी मीटिंग अरविंद, पर हमें ये जूम इंटरव्यू ही करना पड़ रहा है। मुझे क्यों मिलना था उनसे? उनकी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हुआ है। उनको AAAI का लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला है, जो कि हाईएस्ट ऑनर है एक इंडिविजुअल को जो इंडिया में दिया जाता है फॉर हिज और हर आउटस्टैंडिंग कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री। सो दैट इन इटसेल्फ सेज कि इन्होंने कितना कितना वक्त बिताया है एडवर्टाइजिंग में, कि हिंदुस्तान में इनका नाम जो है वो सब जानते हैं। एक एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री में इनको सब जानते हैं। सो फर्स्टली अरविंद, कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much.
Did you miss me at the award ceremony?
Absolutely. You were supposed to be there, you ditcher.
एक्चुअली नहीं, मैं ऑनेस्टली आना चाहती थी एंड आई वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट, बट समहाउ एज वी नो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग, ओमिक्रॉन, ये वो। ओह, पता नहीं व्हेन आर वी गोइंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस मेस। बट या,
No, I completely understand. Actually, I was amazed that the hall was full, despite all that is going on around us. So
really?
lots of friends,
How was the
clients,
feeling? आपने
colleagues,
बताया था कि
industry colleagues.
आपकी फैमिली भी आई यूएस से, they flew down for the award.
Yeah, it was a happy coincidence. So my daughter, her husband, her son, my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter were all there along with my mother.
Wow.
So it was just happy coincidence. One couldn't have planned for it, but it all worked out very well.
How nice, Arvind. And सबसे पहले ये बताइए, इसको अवार्ड को लेकर ओल्ड फील हो रहा है? लाइफ टाइम
एकदम ओल्ड फील हो रहा है, एकदम ओल्ड फील हो रहा है। लेकिन लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया है, दिस गाय इज नाउ सेफ, ही कैन नॉट एम्बैरेस अस एनी फर्दर, तो इसे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दे देते हैं अभी।
कहीं वापस ना आ जाए एडवर्टाइजिंग में, हमारी नौकरियां ना चली जाए।
No, it is really an honor.
Yeah.
It is an honor, and I really appreciate. When you work in industry,
yeah,
you are in so many. You work with clients, and sometimes they approve what you're recommending. Sometimes they disapprove. Sometimes they give you the business. Sometimes they take away the business. You work with other agency people. Sometimes they're competitors. You work with colleagues. They join, they leave, and you never are really sure on how many of them really love you, how many of them really respect you, and how many of them think this guy is a piece of works. So when they choose to honor you, it just is a very, very nice feeling. It means a very large number of people in the industry feel good about you, and that's the kind of recognition, honor that's valuable over any account win, any pitch win of the year, or any award win of the year.
डिफरेंट कैसे है? मतलब आपको इतने अवार्ड्स मिले हैं पहले भी, ये इस वाले से क्या डिफरेंट फीलिंग आई आपको?
So yeah, I mean, there's some awards that you get every year, and sometimes some awards only some people get so far only 28 people have been given lifetime achievement award in advertising. So that is rarer.
That's big.
And it just feels special.
Absolutely.
While all awards are valuable because they are recognition of some good work that has been done by you and your team, but this is extra special.
और आपकी फैमिली आपके साथ थी, तो वो फीलिंग क्या थी? आपने कुछ, did you exchange some moments, emotional moments with them?
Oh yes. You know, Preeti, not just your colleagues and your competitors. You're not even sure sometimes. Your family is so frustrated with you, correct? And they'll say all kinds of things with you. So when
then you tell them, देखो, इसके लिए, ये दिन देखने के लिए मैंने काम किया है.
Correct. Why was it so important? Why did you not turn up today? It was an important day for me. So at the end of it, when you see glow on their faces, pride on their faces, in their hearts, they know it has all been for a good cause. It has been worth it, and it's a wonderful feeling.
Actually, कोरोना के 2 साल के बाद और भी स्पेशल लग रहा होगा, क्योंकि फैमिली ही हमें पता चल गया कि वही सब कुछ होते हैं, उनका साथ है तो सब कुछ है, अगर वो नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं। ये अवार्ड भी अच्छा,
बिल्कुल।
शायद शायद आपको ना लगता अगर आपकी सारी फैमिली आपके साथ ना होती। तो आई आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट यू नो यू वर एबल टू रिसीव इट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर फैमिली। एंड अच्छा, कैसा रहा? आपने 2 साल क्या किया?
2 साल पहले 6 महीने तो पिछले साल मैं अमेरिका में था। I had gone there for my grandson's birthday,
अच्छा।
and I got stuck there. So
हाँ,
I
अच्छा।
came back. I came back last June. उसके बाद 3 महीने तो there was complete lockdown.
हाँ,
झाड़ू पोछा किया,
हाँ।
झाड़ू पोछा किया, बर्तन धोया, खाना बनाया अपनी वाइफ के साथ।
How nice and romantic. यही तो मैं सुनना चाहती थी।
Correct. From October onwards,
Yeah.
we moved to our farmhouse in Alibag. So there's
Okay,
a wonderful circle of friends there.
you told me.
Wonderful circle of friends. And by then, life had resumed in many ways. So Zoom meetings had restarted.
Right, right.
All the academic sessions had restarted, even though
Okay,
they were online.
okay.
Businesses where I'm on boards, which is looking really worrisome, up to even September, was beginning to all turn around. So yes, from
वैसे
October 20,
अक्टूबर 2020, हाँ।
slowly 2020, life has slowly been getting back to normal.
Okay. जो आपने मुझे मैंने ना गाइस, मैंने इनसे ना इनका एक अपडेटेड प्रोफाइल मांगा था कि कहीं मैं कुछ गलत ना बोल दूं या कुछ आउटडेटेड ना इनके बारे में बोल दूं। तो मैंने वो एक पढ़ लिया, पर वो इतना बड़ा है ना वो प्रोफाइल कि मतलब मैं एक तो मैं थक जाऊंगी वो बोलते बोलते इनके जितने भी
नहीं तो मत पढ़ो।
नहीं है तो है ही है। दूसरा ये कि अगर आप लोगों को बायोडाटा ही सुनना है तो फिर मेरा इंटरव्यू लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो इट हैज टू बी कैंडिडेट, इसलिए मैं वो पढ़ ही नहीं रही हूँ। और इनकी मैं एक आपको बता देती हूँ कि कितने इन्होंने ब्रांड्स का काम करा है। उनमें से जो फेमस नाम है वो प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल, हाइंस, कोका कोला, मैकडॉनल्ड्स, जनरल मिल्स, सैमसंग, सैप मिलर और बजाज, गोदरेज, एचडीएफसी, रिलायंस, टाटा, विप्रो। और एक बहुत ही फेमस इनकी एड थी, ये क्या हाल बना रखा है, कुछ लेते क्यों नहीं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक। तो ये तो कोरोना पे भी एप्लीकेबल होता है अरविंद, ये क्या हाल बना रखा है इसने हमारा।
Absolutely, absolutely. And end is not in sight yet, because just when you think things will be okay in 2 months, Omicron happens, and we'll just have to wait and see how it goes.
I don't know, पर आप आजकल कर क्या रहे हो? क्या how is your life distributed? How do you spend your time now?
So 50% मस्ती कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? टाइम आ गया।
अब तो टाइम आ गया, अब तो हाँ बहुत काम कर लिया लाइफ में। लियो बर्नेट की याद आती है? 20 साल लियो बर्नेट के साथ आपने उसको बच्चे से उसको बड़ा बना दिया। कैसा?
Leo Burnett will always be a part of me. Leo Burnett, I mean, I worked for how many years? Nearly
20.
30 odd years.
30?
No, 1983 is when I joined. I ran Leo Burnett for 20 years, but I joined in 1983. So that is more than 30 years. Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा, हाँ, मैं तो वो काउंट ही नहीं किया कि actually, right, you're right. 20 साल
So it will always be a part of me. But it's funny because when I got into advertising, I thought I'm going to work here for 4 or 5 years because my basic training is business, my basic training is marketing, and my initial years were in marketing. So I thought I'll spend 4 or 5 years in advertising and then probably.
पर आपने शुरू तो मार्केटिंग से किया था ना, तो आप एडवर्टाइजिंग में कैसे आ गए? मतलब यूजुअली लोग एडवर्टाइजिंग से मार्केटिंग में जाते हैं।
तो मेरे प्रोफेसर थे IIM में सुब्रतो सेन गुप्ता।
ओके।
तो जब मैं पास आउट इंस्टीट्यूट से हुआ तो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया और बोला तुम मार्केटिंग ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, लेकिन मैं बता रहा हूँ 2 साल में बोर हो जाओगे। क्योंकि तुम्हें तो हर दिन एक नया चैलेंज चाहिए, वो खाली एडवर्टाइजिंग में ही मिल सकता है। Managing one brand for 2 years, you're not going to enjoy it. Okay. And he was so right. He was so right. And 2 years later, he got me into Clarion. And that's how I got into advertising.
और अब कभी एडवर्टाइजिंग आपने छोड़ी ही नहीं? मतलब लोग एक्चुअली क्लाइंट साइड पे आने की कोशिश करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, और आप क्लाइंट साइड से एडवर्टाइजिंग में गए और एकदम गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तरह बैठ गए उसके अंदर।
I was having so much fun. So what people don't understand is advertising it may seem like one job, but actually it's a new challenge every day.
It is.
Because you got a new competitive environment, you acquired new accounts, you got categories that you've never handled before, right? Media environment is changing. So it was just so, and then you go on from national to sub-region, I mean regional, and then you get on to global boards, etc. So while seemingly, and I'm surprised myself, seemingly it looks like one job for 30 odd years, but in reality, it was a new job every 2 or 3 years. And that's why it kept me engaged. They kept growing my responsibility. Right. And the challenge is because India was undergoing such rapid change from pre-liberalization to post-liberalization India. That it is exciting. It just engaged me. And like
अरविंद, ये बताइए कि आपने ना पूरी जिंदगी अपने जॉब नहीं छोड़ी, तो आप you also turned an entrepreneur after you quit Leo Burnett. How was that feeling?
That's also very nice. Basically, look, advertising is about creating things out of thin air, right? You doing that constantly. I mean, of course, clients have their products, and sometimes, I mean, very often they have their established brand equity and they have distribution systems, etc. But at the end of the business we operate in, it is the magic of message, the magic of communication, which very often is not necessarily rooted in a lot of things in the past. And sometimes that magic happens. And entrepreneurship is also about creating things out of thin air. You got a bunch of resources, maybe you got some people, maybe you got some money. So in many ways different. Because my money was running out of the tap. Personal money was running out of the tap. Which is really the case in advertising.
तो फिर लगता होगा ना कि मतलब क्यों ऐसा लगा आपको कि क्यों बन गया एंटरप्रेन्योर, अच्छी खासी जॉब चल रही थी, अच्छा खासा सब कुछ?
No, it has been exciting. I mean, I did a e-commerce venture. We built business rapidly in 55 countries. It is called India Sari House. And now I'm working on diabetic foods venture.
Wow.
Plus, in addition to, that's right. That's a farm to fork project. So it involves agri-science, it involves medical science, it involves marketing, business, and the rest of it. And I'm involved in on the boards of some companies, involved in some NGOs. One of the NGOs I've been involved in for years is Gyanshala, which is into innovation in education at primary and secondary level. So it's still a pretty diverse portfolio. So I mean,
कहाँ रिटायरमेंट है आपकी? ऐसी रिटायरमेंट है कोई? इसी रिटायरमेंट थोड़ी है।
मैंने तो हमेशा मस्ती करी है। हाँ? हमेशा मस्ती करी, अभी भी मस्ती कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, ये तो है।
So long as they're interesting challenges, there's masti being done, masti being had, and that's what I'm doing.
True. और अभी ऐसे किसी क्लाइंट से बात होती है कभी जो आपका सबसे मेमोरेबल क्लाइंट रह चुका है, उनसे अभी भी बात होती है उन दिनों की?
Clients over 30 years become all friends. So many of them were there at the award function, and we keep meeting maybe 2 or 3 times a year. So absolutely.
Tell me one client जो सच में मतलब बहुत ही एक था कि यार ये इसके साथ मतलब काम करना पड़ रहा है, पर मैं करना नहीं चाहता, मैं क्या करूं? मतलब be real, be honest. वो होता ना कि यार ये इसको कैसे हैंडल करें यार, करना पड़ रहा है पर करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, तो एक वो client who was like that at that point of time, but now is one of the dearest friends, and we have done some of the best work together.
तो आप नाम ले सकते हो.
हाँ, Bharat Patel. Bharat Patel. Correct. Initially, I mean, both of us have strong opinions about everything in life, right? From a piece of music to a piece of copywriting. And my clients generally, by and large, have been chilled that if Arvind is involved, what he's going to bring forward 90% of the time will be good. Now, Bharat Patel, finally we moved to that relationship, but in the initial years, I found his strong opinions about everything in advertising pretty challenging. But sometimes, I mean, you understand that those opinions are not rooted in nothing, they're rooted in years of experience. and
लड़ाई
you
हुई
learn
लड़ाई
from
हुई
each
थी
other.
लड़ाई हुई थी
नहीं लड़ाई नहीं हुई, लेकिन
Yeah.
दिल में तो ये होता था कि ये यार मैं एडवर्टाइजिंग का आदमी हूँ, ये आदमी मार्केटिंग जानता है, अपनी एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या जानता है, इतना क्यों
चलो हाँ
टांग अड़ा रहा है.
राइट. सो अभी आप लोग बातें करते हो यार तूने बड़ा नाक में दम कर रखा था.
हाँ करते हैं, बिल्कुल करते हैं.
Nice. And one campaign you can never forget.
That is very difficult, Preeti, because over 30, 40 years, I mean, each one of my campaigns, which did well, I'm fond of. Right from my very first campaign, first brand I worked on was Farex 123 on a turning spree. That image still appears every now and then
Yeah.
in the media as example of
Yes.
iconic advertising. Colder ye kya hal bana rakha hai, kuch lete kyun nahi. Phil is no longer around, but it was suddenly a cola that became hugely successful. Thrill, the space age cola, and then Promise, Naya Promise, and Ofo, not another toothpaste, and then I mean life just went on and on. Excite, not another new idea, old idea, new idea, which is done for Standard Furukawa. The Ariel mother-in-law campaign, the McDonald's campaign, Tide campaign.
कितने
Pamplani, he's a
सारे
growing boy, Latke Ram. So ये सब Indian National Congress का ये आम आदमी को क्या मिला? So I mean, every year, hopefully you do a couple of worthwhile pieces of work that future generations remember. And it's difficult for me to narrow the list below 2030.
Yeah, that's most rewarding for an ad man कि उसकी ads यादगार रह जाएं. I think that is why he or she spends their entire life in advertising, and you know that's how they.
That's right.
So true. अच्छा youngsters आजकल आप देखते होगे कि मतलब their style of working, you know, millennials as we call them. How is it different from the times that you were in?
So, in a way, life has changed. India of our pre-liberalization India was a very tough place. Salaries were low, rewards were poor, because the scale of everything was poor. Rightly so, today's millennials feel more entitled. They demand more from organizations. We worked, I mean, those of us who did well in advertising in the 80s and 90s worked every Saturday, half the Sundays. Today, they will rarely work. I mean, they will not work on Saturdays.
Yeah.
They will certainly not work on Sundays. And I think that's the way it should be. So there's, on the surface, there are lots of changes. But underneath that, the challenges are similar, because you've got to come up with those ideas that move clients' business, that move people's hearts and minds. And until that happens, until you have that idea, there's a sense of anxiety, there's a sense of, can I do it this time? And that challenge, even the best of creative people, they've experienced that feeling. I mean, even this time I asked Aggie for my Lifetime Achievement Award, do an introduction. And he said, you know, Arvind, I don't like doing it. It makes me nervous, etc., but I can't say no to you. So there you are. I mean, one of the most accomplished creative people in the world, not just in the country, saying every time he's given a new assignment. So that's true of what's happening today. It was true then.
Okay.
On the surface, as I said, I mean, today's youngsters are much better off. They have traveled, they have much more exposed to the world than we were. But
that's nice.
Finally, they're.
Yeah.
Finally, they have to come up with those big ideas, and that's challenging. And when you
ultimately, they have to prove themselves. I mean, you know. Ultimately, तो prove करना ही पड़ेगा भाई लोगों, जितना भी हम tantrum throw करें.
Correct.
अच्छा, if you had to choose between Arvind of the college-going Arvind, with the adman Arvind, with now I don't want to use this word retirement, but then you know, moving on, you know, Arvind. Which one's your favorite and why?
This one.
Yeah? Because you have it all. Smart answer, Arvind.
Correct. You got you got a lot more flexibility. While when you're young, there's almost a sense of compulsion that you must succeed. Now, you do things at your pace, you do things that you want to do, and sure,
Yeah.
it's much nicer. Yeah, yeah.
Life without advertising or with advertising, if you had to choose one.
Oh, life with advertising.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, as I told you, I was planning to be in advertising for 4 or 5 years. The fact that I stayed in it for 40 years just says how much fun I had, how much excitement there was in advertising.
Well, it was really nice talking to you, Arvind, and I'm so happy to see you glow with that award now in your pocket.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure those who are watching and those who are watching this interview, your well-wishers, your colleagues, your friends, everybody, they're so proud of you and they love you. And that is one of the reasons why, you know, you stuck around for so many years, and we all remember you for your work and for all the good things that you've done in advertising or outside of it. So congratulations and thank you for joining me for this interview. And since आप पहली बार आए हैं मेरे इंटरव्यू में, आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है ये बता दें, और please ask everybody to subscribe to my channel also.
I will. Please subscribe. Preeti is a good, very good journalist. I've known her for, how long have we known each other? How long
Actually,
have we been
Arvind, more than 10 years now, I think.
More than 10 years. So anybody who survives in journalism for 10 years, journalism for more than 10 years.
Actually, अब तो मैं journalism करती नहीं, अब तो मैं सिर्फ बातें ही करती हूँ, honestly बताऊँ तो.
But some of the best journalism is बातों में secrets निकाल लेती हो.
बातें निकाल लो.
बातों में बातें निकाल लो. So yeah, it has been wonderful. It's good to see you thriving.
Thank you.
And I would recommend, please subscribe to Preeti's channel and listen to not just my interview, but all her interviews.
Yay!
Thank you, Preeti.
And keep coming back on my interviews, Arvind. And I hope to meet you soon in person and also take an interview then.
All right. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Bye.